So I just want to do a short video on what our customers can expect if they receive a package from Boost Oxygen. Our Boost Oxygen boxes are very light because the cans are lightweight. The front of the box has our logo, our Department of Transportation information, as well as our address, our phone number, our email, and our website in case you have any questions. When you open the top of the box, you'll see some packaging material that separate the cans. We also include a card, which is a thank you card, which has information about your order, a coupon code that you can use on your next order, some images as far as people using Boost Oxygen, who it helps. Boost Oxygen for altitude acclimation, health and wellness, poor air quality, and athletic performance. On the back, we've got information on how to use Boost Oxygen, as well as a message from our company president, Rob Nooner, and a QR code if you'd like to leave a testimonial or some feedback on our Google business page. Back inside the box, we'll pull out one of our cans here. Boost Oxygen can comes in natural and several other aromatherapies. Each can is up to 200 1-second inhalations. It's 95% pure supplemental oxygen. Now these are our large canisters. We also have medium and pocket size. Each canister comes sealed during the manufacturing process to keep out any dirt or bacteria so you can feel safe about using them. And we've got a sticker on each can. It says, oxygen is weightless, full can is very light. And indeed, each can is very light. That's because oxygen is almost weightless. But rest assured, each can is full of 95% pure supplemental oxygen. So that's why we put the sticker right on the front of the can there. So I've pulled out all the canisters from the Boost Oxygen shipment. We've got large natural, our peppermint aroma, menthol eucalyptus, pink grapefruit, and think tank. I went ahead and took the seal off one of our canisters. So this is what the inside of the canister looks like when you put it up to your mouth. And there's a trigger on the side that you'll pull to release the air. So if you can hear that. So that's when you pull the trigger, you release the 95% pure oxygen. It's pretty easy. So that's what you can expect if you get a shipment from Boost Oxygen. Thanks for watching this unboxing. And if you want to learn more, visit our website at boostoxygen.com or Learning Center at learn.boostoxygen.com.